From must-have gear to convenient accessories, we've scoured the vast offerings on Amazon to bring you the very best products for a memorable camping experience. Starting off at number 15, we recommend this BMX Cooler by Igloo. This is an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping your provisions chilled during your camping escapades. Boasting an impressive 52 quart or 49 litre capacity, you'll have ample space for up to 83 standard drink cans. Its reinforced yet lightweight construction ensures durability, while UV protection safeguards its integrity. Ranked at number 14 on our list is the remarkable Camping Hammock by G4Free. With its ingenious design, G4Free has created a versatile hammock that excels in any camping scenario. Crafted from lightweight parachute material, this hammock boasts an impressive weight capacity of 440 pounds or 200 kilograms. It comes fully equipped with a range of indispensable features including carabiners, a mosquito net, a sunshade and even an inner pocket for safeguarding your glasses or phone. One standout feature is the hassle-free adjustable straps, eliminating the need for knots while safeguarding the trees. At number 13, we highly recommend the Collapsible food storage containers by Ecoberi. These ingenious containers are a game changer when it comes to keeping food fresh during outdoor adventures. With a set of 5 containers that conveniently collapse for effortless storage while travelling, they offer unparalleled convenience. Not only are they microwave and dishwasher safe, but they also provide a multitude of options due to the set of 5. Coming in at number 12 on our list, we suggest the Camp Kitchen cooking utensil set by Extremus. With a whopping 27 pieces, this cookware set is a versatile companion for any camping occasion. Encased in a sleek and protective carry case, you'll find 4 sets of knives, forks and spoons, along with food scissors, a wine and bottle opener, a chef's knife with a cutting board, and an array of other tools to suit your cooking style. Ranked at number 11, we recommend the Monsiter QE portable camping table. This ingeniously crafted table has quickly become an indispensable camping companion. With its robust aluminium frame and weather-resistant canvas top, it offers the utmost reliability in outdoor conditions. When not in use, it conveniently folds into a compact carry bag, making it effortlessly portable. Equipped with 4 cup or bottle holders, a secondary storage shelf, and anti-slip rubber footings, this table proves its durability in various settings, whether it's by the campfire in a mountain forest or for a picnic on a sandy beach. At number 10, we have the ZOOOBELIVES Inflatable Camping Mattress, a game changer for a cozy night's sleep in the great outdoors. This remarkably durable inflatable mattress eliminates any worries about resting on cold, hard ground. Crafted from waterproof PVC and polyester, it boasts a generous thickness of 4 inches, surpassing most camp mats. With dimensions of 74 by 25 inches, it comfortably accommodates most body sizes, and the mattress can be conveniently clipped together for additional space. One of its standout features is the built-in air pump, making inflation a breeze. Furthermore, it effortlessly rolls up into a compact carry bag weighing only 3.3 pounds. Next in at number 9 are these LED lanterns by Jackson. Say goodbye to stumbling in the dark and knocking over your belongings inside your tent, as these battery-powered lanterns are here to save the day. Designed in the shape of a light bulb and crafted with durable ABS material, they come equipped with a hook and a carabiner for easy hanging from your tent's roof. What's more, their waterproof construction ensures you can use them outdoors without worry. With 3 operational modes including full brightness, half brightness and SOS flashing, these lanterns offer versatile lighting options. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, you can enjoy approximately 10 hours of illumination on average. Ranked at number 8 on our list are these rechargeable long-range walkie-talkies by Topsung. Designed with ruggedness in mind, these walkie-talkies maximise your safety and enjoyment in the wilderness. This pack includes 2 22-channel walkie-talkies. Each unit comes with 3 AA batteries and a USB charger, providing up to 48 hours of standby time with just a 3-hour charge. With Topsung's walkie-talkies, you can ensure seamless communication within your camping party and easily seek assistance if needed. Coming in at number 7, we suggest this ingenious portable travel clothesline by Caudblor. This versatile clothesline ensures you have access to clean and dry clothes wherever you go. With an adjustable length of up to 26 feet or 8 metres, it offers ample space for your laundry needs. Equipped with 12 metal clothespins and 12 line clamps, it secures your garments even on blustery days. The durable cord is housed in a compact, retractable case featuring sturdy metal carabiners on each end. At number 6 on our list, we highly recommend the Kitgo Traveller's Mini First Aid Kit. This comprehensive 101-piece kit equips you with all the necessary tools to handle minor emergencies while on the road. With a variety of band-aids, bandages, swabs, antiseptic wipes, gauze, patches, scissors, tweezers and more, this compact and waterproof kit weighs just 10 ounces or 280 grams. It takes up minimal space in your rucksack or glove box and even includes a carabiner for easy attachment to your backpack. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Portable Head Torch by Klein Tools. This top quality rechargeable LED headlamp proves its indispensability in any situation, but when it comes to camping, it's an absolute must-have. With its convenient micro USB port and included charger, recharging is a breeze. To keep you informed, the built-in battery gauge displays the remaining power while the auto-off sensors conserve energy during daylight. Designed with practicality in mind, the adjustable strap ensures a comfortable fit, while the slimline pivot mount allows you to position the lamp exactly as desired. Ranked at number 4, we recommend the GeoPress Water Purifier bottle by GRAYL. This is an absolute game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. When venturing into nature, access to safe drinking water can be a challenge, but this intelligently designed bottle and filtration system comes to the rescue. Its replaceable purifier cartridge eliminates viruses, bacteria, protozoa, harmful chemicals, herbicides, pesticides, heavy metals, and particulates, providing a generous 24 ounces or 710 ml of purified water. With each cartridge lasting up to 65 gallons or 250 litres, this portable bottle ensures clean drinking water in just 8 seconds, no matter where you are in the world. Coming in at number 3 on our list is the Alpcour Portable Toilet. This is a game changer for anyone seeking a reliable bathroom solution during outdoor adventures, road trips, or boating adventures. This compact yet fully functional latrine provides the ultimate bathroom relief experience, offering all the comforts of a real home toilet. Impressive in its flush capacity, the Alpcour portable toilet boasts a built-in piston pump flusher that delivers powerful cleaning action. With a generous 5.3-gallon waste tank and a 3.2-gallon water tank, it minimises the need for frequent emptying trips, allowing you to focus on enjoying your journey without interruptions. Cleaning convenience is a priority with the Alpcour portable toilet. The sprayer ensures a comprehensive 360-degree clean of the bowl, while the rotating spout enables safe and hygienic disposal when the tank is full. Equipped with a waste level indicator and an anti-leak drain valve, it effectively locks in liquids and odours, giving you peace of mind. Claiming the number 2 spot on our list are these Bagail microfibers. These microfiber towels are incredibly lightweight and compact, making them the ideal companion for your rucksack, backpack or suitcase. Despite their small size, don't be fooled. They possess remarkable absorbency, capable of holding up to 4 times their weight in water. Not only that, but they also boast impressive features such as odor resistance and an astonishing drying speed of up to 10 times faster than regular cotton towels. Available in various sizes and colours, these towels come with a soft EVA case for convenient storage. Finally, at number 1 on our list, we recommend the Charmast 26800 mAh fast charging portable charger. With its exceptional features, this power bank is a true game changer. Equipped with an 18-watt power delivery USB-C port, it offers high voltage output and compatibility with a range of devices such as Nintendo Switch, smartphones, tablets, and even notebooks. It provides abundant power to last an entire camping trip. Its slim and compact design, along with a smooth, rubberized surface, guarantees easy portability and protection against scratches or drops. This powerhouse of a portable charger is a must-have companion for all your travel and camping adventures. To find out more about each of these items, including their prices and availability, or to purchase them, head to the links in the description box of this video. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.